Okay, here we go. I got all three of the marathons out. Well, the other one's a SuperFan or something, but it's the same damn thing. I just got this one in, and I put a wire cord on there, and it fired right up and runs like a hurricane, and it's got a nice spin down time and everything. Maybe I should plug it in and let you see. Now that is a strong motor. That shut the door from way back here in just a second. Look at that wind down time. That is crazy. I ain't going to be able to plug the other one in. I'll bet that motor hasn't seen a drop of oil in a long time. Well, I'll have to go ahead and figure that out in a minute. Alright, there you go.